Nusa Lembongan. That was the most official disinfecting crew I've ever seen. Thanks, Bali.
I've been feeling like lately there's nothing in the way. Getting so impatient, need to get away now with you. With you.
We made it to Nusa Lembongan. Look how blue this water is, it's insane. So this is how it works. With your boat ticket, you also get this little sticker, so when you get off your boat, this says 2 packs and this is our hotel name. There's transportation waiting for us to take us to our hotel. It can't get much easier than that. Now we're gonna go to our hotel, which is Adiwana di Nusa. This is a super sexy hotel on the beach. I can't wait to show you.
This love ain't yours, Father, take it. And baby, this heart can't tell what's right or wrong. I know that no love ain't real if something's broken, but I know that we both gotta know it's time to let go. In the end, it's only down to us. There's no love nor love, and I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it. Don't need no violence, scars. It's not a false alarm. Before it's breaking us, let's face the breaking point. The breaking point. Face the breaking point. Just get it done and face the breaking point. This love won't be what it has been, but baby, our love was good before we lost the little loving that we had in the beginning. And baby, now we know we gotta let go. Don't need to hold on. This relationship is built on trust, on pure love and love. And I hate that I admit we're at the breaking point. At the breaking point, time to break it.
We're taking the bikes for 80,000 a day. You can sometimes find them as low as 50,000 and up as high as 100,000 a day. We're at the mangrove forest here in Nusa Lembongan. So let's go and haggle for a boat. Let me tell you, the price is supposed to be 150,000 IDR for one boat together, even though I already know she's probably gonna try and do 150,000 IDR for me and the camera guy. So let's see how this goes. Mangroves, and now we're out into the open ocean, and from here you can get a really good glimpse of Bali. It is massive. So I've been to Nusa Lembongan 3 times. This is my 3rd time, and this is my favorite thing to do here. It's really relaxing, it's really clean and pristine. You see little crabs and you hear beautiful birds. I definitely recommend doing this while you come here. That was so relaxing that I'm falling asleep. I need a coffee. Let's go get a coffee.
I'm on the train headed back to Indiana. The rain is forming into rivers outside.
If there is one spot that you must come to when you visit Nusa Lembongan, it's this restaurant. This is Kayi Restaurant. Every coffee here is a double shot, and their breakfast is amazing. I always get the tofu scramble. It's served with these nice little warm tortillas. And today I'm gonna try a burger. But every time I come to Lembongan, I eat here at least 3 times. Breakfast, lunch, not yet dinner.
In our hometown.
On Nusa Lembongan, there's a hidden bar called The Hof. It's a speakeasy on the water. So what you have to do to find it is you need to look for the restaurant called The Deck. Right below the deck, there's a flight of stairs that leads you down to these 2 wooden doors. That is the Hof. There's no signs though, so follow this video. You're welcome.
Everything that we were chasing, I'm impatient just to see how you make everything fall into place. How you make everything fall into place. You make everything.
So I have one rule when it comes to drinking. Never drink anything that's blue. But when Adiwana de Nusa has a 2-for-1 happy hour, we're drinking the blue drink. Let's see.
Place, and now I see a silhouette in the dark.
Good morning. Today is day 2 on Nusa Lembongan. We just did a little photo shoot. I'm drinking some orange juice. You know when orange juice is fake orange juice? This is not. This is the real shit. Today we're gonna do a little bit of pampering. We're gonna go to Tonic Spa. I'm gonna get a body scrub because I am ridiculously peeling. Mr. Cameraman's gonna get a massage as well. Before we start today, I just wanna say if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, do that now. Like this video. I have a lot more Bali videos to come. Now let's eat breakfast and let's go to Tonic Spa. Quick pro tip, when you say at Adiwana de Nusa, order the pancakes for breakfast. Fun fact on Nusa Lembongan, if you want to go to a spa or a restaurant that's not nearby you, odds are they have a pickup service. So we just had to message Tonic Spa and say, hey, we want to come, and they sent a little car for free to come and get us. So if there's a place you want to go on their Facebook, go on their website, send them a message, and they'll come pick you up. We're at Tonic Spa for a little spa day, and the garden here is so peaceful. I feel so zen right now, and I'm ready. I'm ready. home. We've spent 3 beautiful days on Nusa Lembongan. I probably should have worn more sunscreen as usual, but now I'm going back to Bali nice and brown. So the way it works to get back is that Scoot Fastboat, they came and picked us up at our hotel, brought us to the office, they'll put us on a boat, and when we land back in Sanur, there'll be a free shuttle bus to take us home. Easy. If you guys have been to Nusa Lembongan before and you have a recommendation for me to visit on my next trip, comment below. I will definitely be back. And next time I'm probably gonna spend more time on Nusa Ceningan. Please like this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you guys later.